you throw them in here?
Like that one?
And you can throw them. I know you will.
I wish his daddy could see this. This is when he chooses to perfect his baseball skills.
Oh, can you get this one?
One more.
One more. That one's.
Little League's not for
Yay!
4 years. So.
You
want to put it back?
want to put some grass in it?
Two more eggs.
2 more eggs, Alex.
He's trying to fix his divots.
2 more eggs. Do you see me? Whoa. You want to open up one of those?
What's in here? This has alphabets in it.
Oh, yeah.
Berkeley, get out from behind there right now, young lady.
I got that on
You know,
film.
by now the cats are just looking at him like, oh. Yeah. Does that thing ever get hoarse? Yeah. Oh,
Look, there's a tree
he thinks he's doing us all a favor by ridding us of the rodents over here and varmints. Cool.
What you got?
Yeah.
Is that dead?
Hearty. More?
More?